Good afternoon, everyone. I'm very glad to present to you Congo Fresh Solar Project. My name is Angelo Pascal. I'm the CEO and founder of the company Congo Fresh Group, which is leading the Congo Power Project. I'm starting by asking to myself and to you, can solar energy replace the mining sector in DR Congo, a country known as a mining country? Congo Fresh Group is more than a group. It's a movement to connect off-grid agriculture with the power of the sun. And our goal is to uplift farmers and households through solar energy. We are launching this ambitious project, Congo Power, in order to empower local communities in DRC. Our goal is to uplift jobless people, farmer households through solar energy. Our challenge is that we have 83% of rural households in DRC with lack of access to electricity, according to the World Bank. This leaves over 60 million people in the dark, affecting farming, healthcare, and education. According to UNICEF, we have around 4,000 young boys and girls who are engaged in hazardous mining activities across the mine in southern DRC, most of which involve cobalt extraction in Lubumbashi, in Kivu, north and south. More than 70% comes from families whose main activity is agriculture. Our vision beyond this Congo Power Project is to build enough grid solar infrastructure to support sustainable farming and rural electrification. Why solar and not mining? Solar energy is renewable and abundant in DRC. You can enjoy sun in every part of Congo. Solar energy is low operational cost, scalable and modular, inclusive. What about mining sector? It's a high operational cost, destroy the environment, job selective. That's why you find sometime under 18 working in the mining sector, and we have less than 20%, less than 10% of women working in the mining sector, according to our government review. Targeted areas for our Congo Power Project in order to improve and to increase the impact of our less costly agriculture activities are the western part of Congo and the southern part of the country. Talking about South Kivu, North Kivu, and Maluku near the city of Kinshasa in the western. Our project, the Congo Power Project has two phases. The pilot phase, which will be in Idri and Calais in South and North Kivu. And the second phase will be in Maluku near the town of Kinshasa in western DRC. Our solar system components are photovoltaic panels, battery storage in order to store enough energy to work by night. We have also smart inverters in order to convert solar energy into electricity, and we have also mini grids. How it helps farmers? Our solar energy from or via Congo Power have to power irrigation and to pump water in order to have enough to nourish soils and plants on our farms. It helps also to power solar cold storage for harvest and light for extended work hours. How it helps household, Congo Fresh Solar Power agro-processing unit and cold storage, reducing post-harvest loss by up to 60%, and we boost irrigation and other digital farming tools, increasing crops yield by 30 or 50%. This project is planning to impact on 3,000 and more beneficiaries on the first year, more than 250 hectares of land supported with solar irrigation. Economic benefits. We are going to increase yield by 30 or 50% thanks to solar powered irrigation and extended farming hours. Reduce post-harvest loss by up to 60% with solar cold storage and local processing units. The environmental benefits is that the reduction of diesel generator use will be seen and it will be on live. So clean energy transition will be supported and preservation of our forests will be visible. We, on the community training, our responsibility in front of our people, we will train local rural youth and technicians in solar maintenance and microgrid operations. We are working in partnership with the DRC government, local cooperatives, which are our main partners, and renewable energy NGOs and foundations. We need 50% of 2 million USD in co-investment in order to fund this project and to make it real. This money and this investment will be used for equipment, training, logistics, community, and engagement. Our time on 26 first quarter pilot installation, 26 third quarter we'll be doing impact review. In 2027 we will launch our expansion phase. We have a lot of risk in terms of logistics and maintenance, in terms of weather. We are working on it in order to improve our forecasting. Mitigation. We are looking on mitigating issues on local training. Our long-term vision is a solar-powered Congo Fresh network across Central Africa, enabling green agriculture and self-reliant communities. On the question of if agriculture can replace the mining sector, I say yes. Thank you, everyone.